going on?
Oh shit.
Okay.
Don't touch me.
I ain't gonna touch you. Come
Don't
back over
touch me,
here.
bro.
Come back over here.
Hey, you get her to give me my keys, I'm out.
Okay. Well, we got some other issues to discuss.
Like
so,
what?
well, whatever happened, take your hands out of your pocket.
Nah, bro, they're in my pocket.
Hey, take your hands out of your pockets.
You see them?
Yeah.
You see them? Don't fucking touch me, bro.
All right. Don't do it. What do you got?
Go ahead, shoot me.
Don't. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
See him?
Hold traffic. I may have a guy with a gun. Step back.
Come on, shoot me, bro, pussy.
Step back.
What's up, pussy?
Step back.
Give me my keys to my bike, bitch.
Stop. There, 134. I need more cars. Hey, get down on the ground. Get on the ground now. Enter 134. Shots fired. Lay on your stomach. Lay on your stomach. Lay on your stomach now. Get your hands behind your back. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. There were 134 shots fired. Go ahead and start me. IMSA. My suspects now. Hands out! Hands out! Nope.
Hey, I ain't got no gun, bro.
Nope. No, I need cops here. He keeps putting, he's shot. I don't know where he's shot, but he keeps putting his hands under his head. I can't get his hands behind his back. So we need to get him hooked up. We need to get IMSA in here because he's bleeding bad, dude.